Alrighty, YouTubers, I have a special Amazon Prime unboxing to do today. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. It is Saturday. It is the weekend now. So we have really cool item up here. Finally joined forces. Amazon sent me this because I am doing their Amazon Live starting on Monday. I'll be going live, doing unboxings, reviews, giveaways. So all you gotta do is click the link down below, and much appreciated if you guys follow me and join in on the fun. Like I said, I'll be doing the giveaways, all that good stuff, and I'll still be coming on YouTube doing games and everything else on here too. So I'm not going anywhere, but I just got a new opportunity to do this. So they sent me the iPod Touch, 32 gigs, and this is my first ever Apple product I ever owned, and I set it up somewhat so to get it going, but really clear bass, great sound, really impressed. I've been an Android user for a long time now, and I might have to switch in 2020 to iPhone, but really impressed. So I'm really happy with this. And I'll leave the link down below for you guys to purchase one of these. And this would be a great stocking stuffer for anybody. Take it to the gym, workout, you name it. This is really nice to have. And like I said, this would totally blow my mind with the sound quality on it. And the camera quality is really good on these iPods. Came in with little stickers. Got the Apple. But I used to use the early Macintosh computers back in the day, so I mean, kind of familiar, but not this stuff. This is brand new to me, so bear with me. iPod Touch, and if you guys know any tricks about these, let me know in the comment section. But here's this, what it looks like. Oh, can't see my passcode. Here's the back, nice black, kind of like gunmetal. Got the camera up there. Punch in. Here we go. We got the Apple iTV. So I'm gonna have to look into that. Check that out. Change the settings. There's 11 gigs I already used out of 32. And I still gotta download the Amazon Live app on the iOS, and that's only an iOS app, but you can watch it on Android and Windows and all that good stuff. But in order to go live, I gotta use iOS, so I didn't have one, and that guy from Amazon sent me this, so definitely thankful for this opportunity. And like I said, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys want to add this to your wish list, we got less than a month away from good old Santa Claus to be coming. Here we go. I don't know any cool features on this yet, so I just gotta take a look throughout the night and take care of a few things on welcome to clips. I don't know nothing about clips, but yeah, the quality picture is pretty clear. Well, you can't tilt it, but you can do it when watching TVs and stuff. So, but really impressed with this iPod, and definitely thank you, Amazon and YouTubers. I will see you guys on Amazon Live starting Monday. So be safe, have a great weekend. See you guys back tomorrow. I have some more unboxings to do, but these little guys too, the headphones, really impressed me. Clear bass, great sound. So you guys got me on this one. Definitely be joining the forces on Amazon or on iPhone, Apple now. So all right, YouTubers, be safe, have a good one. Thank you.